Lush green fields and orchards yielding bountiful produce in the heart of the hot, dry desert are testament to tremendously successful decades of in-depth agricultural research. Facts. More and more parts of the world are becoming arid due to desertification. Fresh water supplies are dwindling. The global population is increasing. Food security for all of us is in danger. Therefore, the development of arid and semi-arid areas for intensive farming has become one of the greatest challenges of our time. Researchers at the Gilat Research Center, the southern campus of the Agricultural Research Organization, work to develop new progressive technologies which will enable the existence of agriculture under desert conditions.
The richness seen in grocery store is misleading. Without human intervention and innovation, regular farming practice cannot produce such abundance. The truth is that in order to have enough food, we must continuously invest in agriculture research.
To succeed in growing a variety of crops in the desert, Gilat scientists are working simultaneously in different areas. We need, for example, to develop varieties of plants that can produce good yields under the extreme desert conditions. Irrigation in the desert must be accurate and economical. Scientists work to determine best practices for irrigation while considering different types of water quality. For each crop, we need to know how much to irrigate, where and how to best deliver the water. Fertilization impacts crop production, especially in poor desert soils. Precise fertilization allows up to doubling of yields and can significantly improve harvest quality. Thanks to the regimes developed by the Gilat scientists, proper fertilization of each crop can save resources and prevent pollution of the environment. Nature is in constant motion and changes significantly over time. Therefore, agriculture must change correspondingly and adapt. Gilat Research Center scientists are developing tools to deal with present and future situations, such as global warming, reduction in water quality, pests, and diseases. Technology must constantly keep up with changes in nature.
Any change during crop growth that's not properly dealt with, it can be catastrophic and it can threaten years of work and investment.
Irrigation, fertilization, pest control, genetics, chemistry, and plant biology of each crop must be synchronized in order to respond to changes in real time. The advantage conferred by the scientists at the Gilat Research Center is the ability to combine all aspects of research. With this capability, we can meet the global demand for knowledge of how to optimize plant growth under difficult conditions. Knowledge that allows agriculture to adapt to changes and sustain a hungry world. The results. Almost all areas of the State of Israel which are designated for agriculture are being farmed and/or fruitful. There is virtually no unused arable land in the western Negev. The Gilat Research Center is an internationally recognized leader in arid and semi-arid agriculture. Gilat serves as a knowledge center for researchers and students from all over the world who come to learn how to implement agricultural technologies.
My research is focused on utilizing marginal quality water and seeing how olive tree responds. We hope that this research will contribute useful information for water quality management in the United States and drought-prone areas across the world.
Researchers at the Gilat Research Center of the Agricultural Research Organization continue to meet the challenges of the changing desert environment by engaging with farmers to understand their urgent needs. The mission is clear. We must constantly invest in agricultural research so that together we can ensure food supply today and for years to come.